1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Revati Bawa. If you're seeing this face for the first time, then hi guys. My name is Revati Sanjay Bawa. I'm a part-time YouTuber and a full-time dentist. I make all kind of videos, fashion, lifestyle, and also some fun vlogs. And yeah, I make the kind of videos I feel that my audience would like or would find my videos entertaining or helpful in some way. I make all those kind of videos. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. So if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe to my channel now, and you wouldn't regret subscribing to my channel. So go subscribe to my channel now. And by the title and thumbnail, I'm sure you might already know what this video is gonna be about. I am so excited about this video, and I can't even tell you guys. And you know what this video is about. So finally, let's just get right away into the video. So guys, I'm sure if you're watching this video, then I'm sure कि आप लोग भी मेरे जैसे एक die hard Friends fan रहोगे ही, तभी आपको इस वीडियो में इंटरेस्ट होगा. I'm sure. So let me just tell you, if it isn't clear by now, that I am a huge Friends fan. And yeah, I love Friends. Like पूरा लॉकडाउन मैंने इतना देखा है. Like I watched it 2 or 3 years, or I don't even remember कितने साल हो गए the first time I watched it, and ever since I've been in awe of that, you know, season or episodes, or sorry, the series basically. So yeah, I love that series, and even after watching it once, I, you know, keep watching it. Like बीच के कोई भी episode उठा के like हमेशा देखती रहती हूँ, especially जब मेरा mood off रहता है, या when I'm sad or I feel low or I'm, you know, not in a good mood, I, you know, put any episode of Friends, and the moment I start seeing it, I start laughing like crazy. Like मैं literally अकेले ha ऐसे जोर से हंसती रहती हूँ. And yeah, so that's why I like Friends. And yeah, it just instantly cheers up my mood. And I just love their friendship, and I love their innocence and everything. I'm sure मेरे जैसे सबको भी वही सब पसंद है. So yeah, so अभी तो कुछ ज्यादा ही ऑब्सेस्ड हो गई हूँ लॉकडाउन और ये कोरोना की सिचुएशन की वजह से, बिकॉज आई एम एट होम द होल टाइम, एंड या आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन माई हैंड्स टू, यू नो, वॉच सीरीज. लाइक इवन after working, I still have plenty of time to watch series, so I watch Friends. And yeah, so I'm still obsessed even after 4-5 years, and I think I'm going to be obsessed for my lifetime till I die maybe, or whatever. But so yeah, so that's why I'm like very obsessed with it. So I saw this, you know, Cover It Up is like a huge page on Instagram known for its, you know, like these kind of year planners, calendars, mobile phone covers and all of that, like, you know, customized. लाइक हैरी पॉटर का भी शायद योर प्लानर है. सो मैंने जैसे ही मेरे को एड्स में देखा इंस्टाग्राम के एड्स में कि ये प्लानर आया, एंड इट वाज प्री बुक टाइप करके. सो मैंने इसको प्री बुक किया था. आई जस्ट चेक एंड टेल यू मैंने कब प्री बुक किया और कब ऑर्डर आया. ठीक है, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड. सो आई जस्ट, यू नो, चेक, एंड मैंने इसका ऑर्डर, योर प्लानर का, फ्रेंड्स का एडिशन का योर प्लानर का ऑर्डर मैंने 6th of December को किया था. लाइक आई प्री बुक्ड इट, एंड टुडे इज द 14th of December. So it arrived, and मैंने अभी तक पैकेजिंग खोला नहीं है, because I want to open it in front of you guys and with you guys, like having, I mean, y'all are not with me, but anyways, you get the point. I just wanted to do in front of you so that, you know, my reaction and my review will be, you know, natural, and, you know, will be like what's like completely how it's supposed to be, and without any filter. I don't know how to put it out what I'm trying to say, but मैं जो भी बोलना चाहती हूँ आप लोग को, आई एम श्योर समझ ही गया होगा. आई मीन मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ यार टू एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स. आई रियली सक एट एक्सप्लेनिंग थिंग्स. सो हाँ, तो बेसिकली मुझे नेचुरल रिएक्शन देना था, इसलिए मैंने अब तक पैकेजिंग खोला नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट गोना टेल यू फॉर हाउ मच आई गॉट इट. सो ओरिजिनली इट वाज प्राइस्ड फॉर 1900 rupees, 1899, but I applied a voucher that was given on the website itself, something CIU 1500 करेगा कुछ. तो I guess it was 15% discount या ऐसा कुछ. तो 15% discount करके I got it for 1614, which is a, I mean, for a planner it is expensive, but I don't know what's wrong. I would never buy, like I'm someone I'm someone who would never buy something so expensive, like, trust me guys. But I'm also, a part of me is also someone who, if likes something and like if really likes something, if I really like something or love something, then irrespective of the price I will buy it. Like even if I get, you know, like bankrupt, I'll still end up buying it, which is a bad thing, I know, but that's just who I am. I'm trying to work on it. But so yeah, so this was an unnecessary buy, but I got it because फ्रेंड्स की फैन हो इसलिए आए. एंड मेरे को जब कोई चीज़ पसंद आती है तो मुझे बस लेना ही होता है. सो आई जस्ट couldn't stop myself and I bought it, and now I'm just gonna finally start, you know, unboxing it in front of you guys, because I've already spoken so much that I do not want to make this video already longer than it already is. So let's just start. So this is how the packaging looks, you guys, and you can see cover it up लिखा है इस पे. So yeah, चलो खोलते हैं. देखो मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही, सच में नहीं खुला हुआ है, ठीक है. I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited, and guys, ये मतलब ये पार्सल ना 1 या 2 बजे आया था, और अभी मैं ये फिल्म 9 o'clock कर रही हूँ. तो आप सोच सकते हो 9 like from 9 hours I was waiting कि ये कब खोलूँ, एंड now finally मैं खोल रही हूँ. तो एक्साइटमेंट लेवल बहुत ज्यादा थी जब पार्सल आया, बट अभी भी है ज्यादा, बट आप समझ लो मेरे को क्या कहना. एंड एक्चुअली मेरे घर पे अभी सेल्फ लाइक हमारी हाउस हेल्प थी, तो इसलिए इट टुक मी सो लॉन्ग टू फिल्म, एंड प्लस it was just a long day and I didn't get the time. So finally now that I have my time, I'm gonna open it and I'm really excited. Like मैं इतने दिन से इतना वेट कर रही थी ना, मेरा पार्सल कब आएगा, कब देखूंगी, कब आएगा, कब देखूंगी, कब. एंड फाइनली आ गया है, एंड फाइनली अभी मैं आपके सामने खोल रही हूँ. ओके, सो आगे से ऐसा दिख रहा है ये. आई होप यू कैन सी इट ऑन द कैमरा. यार ये लिफ्ट को भी अभी बजना था. सो ये ऐसा दिख रहा है आगे से, एंड पीछे से ऐसा है. पैकेजिंग काफी अच्छी है, मतलब उसमें से इसमें था, एंड अभी इसको खोलती हूँ. खुला हुआ है. सो अभी इसको खोलते हैं. उप्स, खोलते ही ऐसे दिख रहा है. ओके, आई थिंक मैंने उल्टा पकड़ा. एक सेकंड. फाइंडिंग योर लॉबस्टर और स्टम्बलिंग अक्रॉस द हॉलवे एंड मीटिंग द वन और मे बी द 6 of 1, meeting your friends for a huge cup of coffee or taking a trip together to Vegas. What better way to do all that to plan it with your friends? Feeling I don't even have a plan for the big future. Time to wake the Monica in you. Work on the small things, the tiny details, and the rest follows. Get those apps and tick off that watch list. Plan birthday parties and bridal showers, but make sure to invite them all. Welcome to the real world. It sucks. You're gonna love it. So that's what is written on this cute little note, and I totally love it. I mean, how you doing? I love it. So now I'm gonna show you guys the planner. So this is how the planner looks, and this is how it looks from back, and this is how it looks idhar se, side se. It's got a nice binding, by the way. मैं actually तुम लोगों को कैमरा पे देख रहा हूँ, मैं खुद यहाँ पे देख नहीं रही हूँ. So yeah. So this is how it looks, and I'm super excited, you guys. I'm gonna open, and yeah, friends, 2021 obviously 2020 year का है, तो वो लिखा है फिर the one with no pla लिखा है. And now let's open the first page. So first page, as soon as you open the planner, welcome to the real world. It sucks. You're gonna love it. That's written on the left side, and on the right side, hello, my name is, and you have to write your name, right? So first page पे क्या लिखा है? The one with my information. So you have to fill out all the details: my name, address, contact number, email, blood group, and emergency contact. Then on the next page, on the right side, the one with my New Year's resolutions, and उसके नीचे फिर lines दिए हैं. Started and completed का दिया है check boxes. So that's cute, right? There are various stickers, like 3 stickers given on the next page, and I'm wondering why. But anyways, and the left side is plain. You'll see it. I'm gonna put a video here, so don't worry. You'll see what's there. Then there are stickers again on the next page with bookmarks and flow day, and there are many stickers with the same word saying flow day. I don't know what flow day means, but I'm gonna ask. Then there are stickers, 6 stickers of obviously all of the 6 of them, and then we've got this. Oh my god, I forgot. How can I forget the name? We've got the geese, the duck, the dog, then the chicken, then the everything you'll see on like in this part where I'm gonna post the video so that even you know. Then there are stickers with saying written, "You're my lobster, how you doing, Joey," and all those, everything that was there in Friends basically. Pivot, Phoebe, It's a Moot Point, and all of that. Then on the next page there are stickers with directions this side, and all of that this side. Hearts are there in lilac, purple color, in mustard color, in teal, blue or green color, and then in green color, then blue color, and then there are tick boxes, and then important, remember, don't forget, and all of that. Take this forward to do, to study, to learn. And then on the next page, oh my god, you've got a photo in which they come late for the Thanksgiving episode, and they peep inside through the door when the door is like completely locked, only a portion of it is empty. You'll see it, you'll understand. And so actually बहुत अच्छी quality है. वहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? I'm not great at advice, but can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? And then again second पे भी वही लिखा है, मतलब दोनों पेज ऐसे, तो दोनों पेज सेम है. And I feel ये sticker है. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to figure out this planner like really well. Oh my god, I guess ये फटता है. Oh yeah. So next page, I guess these are stickers, guys. Yeah, they are stickers because you can tear them apart. So you'll see it here, what I'm talking about. And Ichiban lipstick for men. Saw Santa Claus, he said hello to Ross. And all these cute sayings from Friends, basically. Then you've got this place to put your picture over here, which I'm definitely gonna put my cute picture over there. So yeah. So after that, then there's an empty page, and then the year ahead. Pura calendar है 2021 का. All the months, including all the months. Then my watch list. And watch list में TV show name, then movie name, then rating. I like that, Then top 10 songs, then उसका rating. Then top 10 albums, उसका rating. Then not about albums, but I guess I'll rate songs. Then the one with important dates, you're gonna see, ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, the one with important dates. उसमें सारे months दिए हैं, Jan, Feb, March, April and all of that. But I wish ज़्यादा space दिया होता, because इतु से में, if there are more important dates in that month, then how are you gonna fit it? Unless you'll have to write it in a very, very, very small font, So, anyways. Then on the next page you've got it like this. One side is empty and the other side going commando. Friends, I love this year. The one where it is January. So January month starts. Then with January there is a column for goals and to-do list. Next page पे भी January के days दिए हुए हैं and the weeks and dates. And there's a side, there's a small space and notes लिखा है, and then फिर lines है. And then habit tracker, habit दिया है, it's in various colors and all of that. Then meal planner. I really want to keep a track of what I'm eating, and so that at the end of the year, for sure I'll know, not the end of the year, but at least at the end of the month I'll know, how much have I been consuming junk, and have I been eating, healthy. I really wanted to track my food actually, so I'm glad with a meal planner का जो दिया है. Again there's January, then individually एक day को भी plan करने के लिए again there's space given, which is good, right? Yeah, and then नीचे notes का ये लिखा है so that you can write, and फिर एक extra 2 sides दिए January के लिए where you can write whatever you want to write at the end of the month. And 30th and 31st January के बाद there's a small column given for goals achieved to write at the end of the month, which I again find it helpful and cute. And then after January ends and February begins, bromance का sticker है, photo है, and then same वापस सेम सब उसके बाद. देन मार्च में oh my god, you're my lobster का फोटो है, just so cute, wow. देन अप्रैल में उनागी वो है. फिर ये कौन सा मंथ है, मई में ओवर अ कप ऑफ कॉफी, ये है उसका फोटो है. आई पुट अवे सो दैट इवन यू गाइस कैन सी, सो डोंट वरी. बट यार थोड़ा सा ना फोल्डेड है यार, मतलब मेरे को परफेक्शन लगता है, सो विश इट वाज नीट एंड टाइडी. इट्स अ लिटिल बिट मेसी. आई मीन व्हेन यू आर पेइंग सो मच you should expect perfection, like perfection of the product, right? So yeah, it's a little bit untidy, but anyways. फिर मार्च हो गया, अभी जून, my birthday month and my favorite month of the year, pivot. Okay, so उसका फोटो है and it's in purple color. Wow. जून के बाद जुलाई में 7 वो वाला फोटो है. देन आई हेट इट यार, इट्स अनटाइडी. लाइक ये जो पार्ट है ना, मतलब मंथ के लिए जो दिया है, इट्स अ लिटिल फोल्डेड एंड आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग दैट पार्ट. अदर देन दैट एवरीथिंग इज गुड, लाइक रियली गुड. सो इन अगस्त मंथ यू लव मी, वो लिखा है, उसका फोटो है. देन अगेन इन सितंबर Smelly cat. आगे का मुझे लिरिक्स नहीं पता. I suck at remembering lyrics again. So October में loving this. I'm fine. I love he acts यार. मतलब रॉस की acting ना, I don't know, it's underrated I feel, because being a man he acts like his character has a feminine touch. You know what I'm saying, right? So I love his acting. It's mind blowing. October में. Then comes November. Floating heads again. I like that. And then comes December. 2021 खत्म हो गया है. देखते. At least calendar में. I mean planner में. I don't know why my calendar. Maybe because of the month and years. Whatever. I'll be there for you. Okay, December भी खत्म हो गया. And then after it's over, then goals, to-do list, वही सब as usual. December जो बाकी सब months के बाद है. And I love the planner. Oh my god, binding निकली हुई है. And then जो December है ना, उसकी थोड़ी सी binding निकली हुई है. So I'm really disappointed, man. When I'm paying so much, you can't give. I mean, you should give the best, like best quality का प्रोडक्ट देना चाहिए ना. If you're paying so much, I don't like disappointment, man. नहीं, क्या ही कर सकते हैं. And there's so much of dirt inside white color का, obviously. And then last में you have this थोड़ा सा ऐसा, आपको दिख रहा होगा ना कैमरे पे, ऐसा है. तो you can put anything inside it, like notes or stickers or anything, whatever you want. And it says the one with some small stuff. So that's how. Oh my god, it's not getting closed. Oh my god, it's not getting closed. The binding sucks, I feel. Yeah, the binding sucks. So this is it for the planner, you guys. 2021 ka planner. I'm just gonna check it properly and then be like off camera. I'm gonna check it nicely and then give my final review. So I'll be right back. So I checked the planner completely and yeah, I don't have any complaints with the planner, but I just hope it would have been a less expensive. मतलब थोड़ी सी क्या होनी चाहिए थी कम, काफी 1000 rupees भी ठीक था. 1000 या 1200, like 1700 is too much. I mean जो भी प्राइस पहले बोली, I kind of forgot exactly क्या बोली थी मैंने. तो yeah, that price is really very expensive. The price part I don't like, but otherwise the quality is amazing. Everything is amazing. I mean the pages are resisting to turn backwards and frontwards and थोड़ा सा उधर इशू हो रहा है pages के binding में, थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है. But I guess use करके वो थोड़े easily movable I mean क्या बोलते हैं, turnable हो जाएंगे, easily turnable after using it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited with this purchase and I'm happy. Like out of 10 I'll rate it 7. Yeah, I'll rate it 7. And अगर price अच्छी रहती, like it would be, you know, reasonable, or I would have given it definitely 10 out of 10. Matlab, if you're paying so much, then you should get perfect product, right? You should get the product in the best and perfect quality possible, right? So थोड़ा सा जो you know months के जो labels है ना, वो थोड़े से folded है, quality अच्छी है, they're just folded. So I just feel that's a turn off for me because I like perfection, but otherwise everything is good. And yeah, I give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you're someone like me, a die-hard Friends fan, then you should definitely check out this planner. And yeah, a big thumbs up. And I can't wait to, you know, plan out my 2021. Like I've never journaled, you know, consistently. I've been trying to in 2020, but I failed at it miserably. Like in a month I just journal maybe twice or thrice, or depending on my mood, you know. So in 2021 I want to journal every single day, and I want to, you know, keep a track of my moods, what I'm eating and all of that. So I'm just glad that I would be able to do, since I've got such a, you know, systematic and all planner. So I'm really happy. So yeah, so this is it for my video, you guys. I hope this video was fun watching, and I hope this video was a helpful review. And if it was, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And even if you don't find this video helpful or fun watching, then you can even click on the thumbs down wala button. Us pe bhi click kar do. I just want your, you know, honest review or opinion. So please either hit the thumbs up button or either hit the thumbs down button, and whatever happens, please at least subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Subscribe karna to free rehta hai, so please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be on next Friday. So stay tuned until next Friday, and take care of yourselves, guys. Stay happy, stay positive, and bye bye.